Welcome back, guys, to day number 6 of learning Romanian. I am Stefan, and today we're gonna go back to one of the resources that we planned to cover earlier, but we didn't get a chance because the site was down. So luckily the website right now is back up, and I am happy to share with you the random word generator for Romania. There might be others, but who knows. I know this one and it's quite good if you're interested in basically testing your vocabulary. I'm going to show you this tool basically to test your knowledge. This is one of, in my opinion, the best ways, the easiest way, the least time consuming way to test your knowledge about a few grammar topics in Romanian. And before we get into it, just don't forget that we have the links to the Romanian Academy resources and content in the description, as well as the link to the random word generator in the pinned comment and also in the description. Without further ado, let's just go ahead to +1+1.com. So +1.com. You can see the name up here on the top left. That's exactly the name of the site. It has a few different functions, but today I'm going to show you the generator de cuvinte aleatorii. So basically aleatoriu means random, so random word generator in Romanian. Here you go. So now, the way I recommend this, and I have recommended this to my students, the way I recommend you to go about this is this. You are on a journey to find basically to test your knowledge about a noun, a verb, or an adjective, as you can see here. What this exercise is supposed to target is basically, if you are given a word in Romanian, to go and kind of like, if you have a noun, build its plural from your own knowledge. From a verb, to conjugate it into different conjugations, past tense, future, and whatnot. And with adjectives, to build its 4, 3, 2, or, well, if you're unlucky enough to get the one form adjective, then shame on you. But I'm joking, of course. But you should. It doesn't depend on you, and you will see in a second that those words are really, really random, to the point that I don't know 25% of them or something like that. So again, this is a way of testing your knowledge, but in a different way. If earlier we saw on DOM that you go from a word straight to its plurals, and it's like a thing that you should do first when you encounter a new word, then this should come up after you have already let's say a minimum vocabulary. And the reason to do that is because you want to test your knowledge. And just let's go ahead and let me show you how I would work about it. Probably in the next episode I will cover some other items about this +1, but right now, if you generate a word, and let's say you generate until you find a word that you know, tomberon, for instance. Yeah, most of them you might not know them. It really depends on your level. And you get to tomberon. So what do you do now? You find a noun, you write it in your document, for example, or you just think, so what is the plural? Tomberoane, right? Way to test that, right? If you go back to the DOM, yeah? So a way to test that is just simply go and check the DOM form and copy paste this, and you have the plural. There you go. Now, if you want to go a bit more advanced about it, you should go to try to build the definite article forms and the different cases. Basically, tomberonul, tomberoanele, tomberonului, tomberoanelor. So this is something you can try to do with the nouns. This is a very easy way. It's like flashcards, but without actually building flashcards, right? Maybe I should have started saying that, but well, now it's a bit too late. So this is basically flashcards without using flashcards. You go about the word, you think about the form, and then go back to dom. I guess for an English speaker it would be hard to pronounce dom, but whatever. And then test that. You will see probably in the next episode, so tomorrow, you'll see that you can check more than just this, just the plural and the gender. You can also find the declensions for genitive dative. Then, how would you go about verbs? Well, let's generate. We have arvni, and then you go, oh, so what conjugation is that? It ends in I. Okay, is it short or long form? Rvn or rvnesk? I think rvnesk sounds a bit better. Now, the way you can go about this, you go to conjugare. You check it here. Oh, it is your rvnesk. And you can do that basically to anything. Again, for nouns, you can do it to plural forms, to genitive dative forms. For verbs, you can do it to present tense, to conjunctive, to whatever. All you need, basically, for this is to actually sit down. Yes, I mean it. Just sit down and do it. That's all. It's just that. You will not learn Romanian without actually sitting down and spending time practicing this kind of things. And if you want to learn words and remember words, this can be used as a memorization tool as well, not just because this is what flashcards are, not just a testing tool like testing your knowledge, but it's, I guess, a flashcard would do the same. So yeah. And also an adjective. Again, generate until you actually know one, like rhetoric. And for instance, with adjectives, what you can do is think, does it have 4 forms? So rhetoric, rhetorica, rhetoric, rhetorice. It might have 4. So you go to doom. I cannot unsay doom right now. And basically, yeah, just copy paste this, put it here, and you have a look at it. So feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. It has 4 forms. You tested your knowledge. Congratulations. So that's basically it. That's how to use +1. Now, there is another way to use this. If you are completely new to Romanian, there is another way to do this. And to do that, you go down here and you check the random word generator in English. And it has basically the same tools. Now, obviously, if you want to generate either a noun or a verb, you can. Bell, name, bag, mountain, sky, boyfriend, bike. Okay, so where are the verbs? Expression, philosophy, tennis, console? This is broken. Maybe that's why the website was broken recently. Conduct, a light, okay, yeah. Exclaim, okay, so I guess now it works. Argue, thanks, yeah, professor, okay, so it does work. So the way I would recommend you go about this, but in this way, the English to Romanian, I would basically just generate a word, energy. How do you say energy in Romanian? If you remember from the previous episodes, I really recommend for the one-word translation, well, you can use either reverso or DeepL. Probably DeepL would be a smarter choice. And let's go right there. So how do you say energy in Romanian? First step, translate it. Energie. Okay, that's a fair enough. That's a good first step. If you want to go one step further, you do exactly what we did with the Romanian random word generator, and we test the plurals of energie. So I suppose it's energy. How do you do that? You copy it, you go to DOM, paste it. Energia, energie, energy. Plural is energy. And then test it. Here, look, for some words it even gives you the genitive dative, but I'm gonna show you a certain way to test this regardless of the word, because earlier for tomberon we didn't have the genitive dative. So you can do that also for verbs. Ensure, asigura, and then you go to conjugare.ro and you test the conjugation. Oh, what is asigura in third person plural? Eu asigur, tu asiguri, and so on. So what is asigura in el asigura, ei asigura. So you test it on conjugare.ro, sorry. And that's it. That's basically it. You have two ways of doing it. The way I really recommend you go about this is if you are a complete beginner in Romanian, you go from English to Romanian first. And then if you already know some words in Romanian, if you're, I would say, well, it really depends. You can press that button as much as you want. You just go until you find some word that, you know, like, as I said, I don't know. Some of those words are extremely specific, but like eventrație. What the hell is that? Maybe I can ask Dipel. Yeah, eventration. Good job. If anybody English speaker out there wants to help me with what this is, not that I'm actually curious because I'm probably not gonna use this in my life, but you see, eventration. What is that? So, beginners, intermediates, advanced, this is a tool for everybody. Now, if you're good to go, just go here, press the tick box, check the tick box for the 6th day, and enjoy the +1. Again, the links are all in the description, the pinned comment. Tomorrow, we're gonna meet with probably the most advanced of these tools, Dex Online. A tool that has been probably helpful for most of you, but I think we needed to go through all these steps before we got to Dex Online, because Dex Online is it can be quite difficult to use if you're not intermediate or advanced. If you're a complete beginner, it might be quite difficult. Anyways, talk about that tomorrow. Have the links in the description. Enjoy your rest of the day, and until the next one, la revedere.